Mama doing again?
She knows when I put the camera on. She's such a stink. Just focus on Grandma. You telling Grandma stories? Are you telling Grandma that we bought a house today?
Did you buy a house?
Oh my goodness, we got the house.
Are you already thinking about decorating your room?
Yes.
Yeah?
We can put up the monkey decals that we got for Christmas.
Ooh, what color are her walls gonna be?
I don't know.
Are they gonna be light pink?
Maybe.
Are they gonna be light pink? Are they gonna be light pink? Yeah.
Well, we know she's a girl now. I got that on here. Oh my goodness. She likes it. Do it.
So cute.
Do it. Do it. That is stinking cute.
I love it.
Oh my goodness. That's adorable. Her legs kicking up.
Yeah.
Pretty soon you'll be able to do it yourself.
Oh.
Yeah, soon you're gonna be not thanking Grandma for teaching her that.
I know.
She'll be like, all the time.
That's stinking cute.
Strawberry.
Oh my goodness. I can't. Her hair is greasy.
Oh, come on, Mom. You look fine.
That's cute.
Hey,
I got
stop
just a
it.
little bit.
and I have to hold my shirt.
You look fine. Now she's just gonna suck it. This my soother? Okay. I'm just gonna rest my head here.
Tiring. Whee!
She likes it.
Airplane. Airplane. Yay.
Do you like it?
Let's see. Woo!
That's cute.
Whee! A little scared in the eyes.
Yep. Oh.
Oh. You could not have done this when she was newborn.
I do just two at the same time. What?
So I'm just watching TV downstairs. Bailey's chilling here. Diesel moved his bed from over here. I'll show you. Used to be over there. Now it's here in the middle of the room. Look how comfy he looks. So he's literally in the center of the room now. What a weirdo.